Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, we're going to Walmart. Yabuyag. We're going to Walmart together with RJ. Daddy's live here at home. Here's Daddy. He bring
Mommy's just
alcohol.
making a video. She isn't driving. She's just gonna make a video.
Yeah, thank you.
She's just
Yep,
making
Javier.
a video.
Okay, there's RJ. Then, this is my first time to Walmart, guys. First time drive to go there. So, samahan ninyo kami, guys. Sa aming sa shopping dahil mag-shopping lang kami ng maliit lang aming bilihin, guys. Banana, apple at saka pants ni RJ. Dahil ang mahal ng bilihin. So, okay guys. Let's go guys. Hi guys. We here now in Walmart. Here na parking
You
lot,
almost
guys.
ran a cat.
I not see the cat. Almost run.
You found your big test.
Okay guys, here na Walmart. We're going there guys.
Yeah.
Let's go RJ. Here's RJ.
Almost cat. You almost made cat.
This is the pumpkin. Is RJ. It's a Walmart here. We'll get the cart, RJ. What you do? Here's a pineapple. I get pineapple. Pineapple. Yeah. RJ. Okay. One cucumber for daddy.
This tomato. It definitely didn't fall.
Hey, give me plastic. Look like no good, this RJ. With this.
Wait, I'll
Only
get it.
one.
I'll get it.
Here.
Yeah. Let's do it
Open.
again. Oh,
I cannot open.
that's work.
$1. Here is the banana, guys.
I can ride
Here
it.
is banana and bakery. And there. Where's RJ? Here's RJ. Riding.
I got it. Bye.
Oops, RJ. There he is. You go to now your clothes. Got your clothes. See you push RJ. RJ, be careful there, RJ. Guys, we here inside na. Here's the clothes. Okay, look at your t-shirt, RJ. A long sleeve. I have jacket now here. At this jacket, RJ. Have a lot of clothes here, RJ. See the jacket number 3.
It's a ripoff. See, it looks so comfortable when you look at it. If you don't look at it,
Yeah.
they open up first and it's this. You open it first.
Okay, bring that here. Yes. So many. guys, we're here now. We done shopping little bit. And little bit we buy. So, okay guys. Let's go home now. Hi guys, we're here now in the house. We made it.
He's like, "Go see me."
We made it guys. Show you guys. Here we grocery little bit guys. The pineapple, the banana, and mango. And that's it we buy guys. And little bit. And short RG.
Hey, get the mail.
Already get daddy. Okay, we done now.
Did he ever get the mail?
The next morning.
RJ field trip. Look at the dog guys. He stick out his head. But already have break. Here he is. Go inside now. Here he is, the bus. For field trip. Dalawa ng bus dito. Yan. Dito na kami sa parking lot. Where is the two lovebirds? He's waiting the lovebirds. Look around. There is the kids.
Oh, Jay's class is last.
Here. Here's the second class. Hope no RJ there.
They're all wearing short pants.
You cannot tell. No, it's okay that have short, long sleeve or
Well,
jeans. That is look like have RJ now there. There you go. We look at RJ.
great.
What's that?
That's all Jay's class.
I not see RJ. Oh,
It's last, I said. It'll be another 20 minutes.
okay.
Uh,
It's coming, RJ. It's RJ. I see RJ.
I had to see him for 1 second.
Yep.
Over there, we would have saw his feet.
Yep. There is RJ. Field trip time.
He's excited.
Yep, excited that RJ want to wake up early. The bus is running. There you go. Field trip. Okay guys, we pick up RJ guys. We're going to school. Because it's 3 o'clock now. Guys, we're here now in school. But we so far away to the parking. Because we late.
He's going to park in front of us.
Yeah.
He pulled up.
See that you cannot see no more. Look at the car. There's a long line. RJ. It's coming, RJ. Yep.
Going south.
Here, RJ.
Planetarium? Planetarium?
What plan?
Salt Lake what?
How's your field trip, RJ?
What?
And the Farmington.
Farmington?
No, there was
And
Diamond.
what else?
I told you it was the place next to Farmington. What's next? to
Centerville?
Farmington? Centerville.
Ooh. And what else? Only there?
Then we went to the Farmington.
Oo. The wetland.
We went to wetland and we did not go outside.
Why? You just ride the bus? Oo. Okay. Okay guys. Nagdoon mo naman tayo guys dahil ang taas ng grass guys si daddy nagdoon mo na. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ganito ang life dito sa Amerika guys. Dito sa Utah. Kung summer, magdoon mo. At kung mag-winter, magpala. Dahil ang dami ng snow. So, yan ang life dito sa Amerika guys. Walang katapusang trabaho. Yun, si Arje nagdidilig ng halaman. Ayan, ang si Daddy nagdodon mo. Ayan, hindi na mataas ang grass. Okay guys, tapos na dito guys sa paglon mo. Ayan guys, kita ko sa inyo yan, pero wala pang edging guys. Yan, mataas pa sa gilid ng fence. Yan yan, at saka dito din, baka tomorrow na lang to i-edgingan. Yan, ang daming damo na dito palaging tumutubo ang damo. Yan guys, malinis na pero wala pang edging. Tomorrow na lang. Ayan, ayan no. Ayan, ang ganda na tingnan. At saka magdoon mo din ako sa doon sa front yard. Yan ang damo ng damo dito, mga damo dito. Pupunta tayo sa front yard para mag doon mo doon. Hindi ko to i-edging today dahil magdoon mo ako sa front yard. Ito na guys ang lawn mower dinala dito ni Daddy. Yan. So ito guys, mataas ng grass dito guys. Tululunmuhin ko to guys. Ayan, wala ng araw dito. But sa sidewalk mayroong pang araw. Ang mag-lawn mo ng ganito para hindi masyadong pawisan, pero pawis pa rin kahit mayroong shade na dito. Ayan, nag-lawn mo ako guys. So pakita ko sa inyo guys.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide, when everything is a lie.
Nakapuyat talaga guys, mag-lawn mo, pero good for exercise guys, dahil papawisan ka. Yan ba, linis na dito. Pwede nang walang edging dito. Yan. What? Hello, what you do there? What you doing? What? Okay guys, ay edging na guys. Yan guys, nag-edging ako guys. Yan, gabi na guys, gabihan na rin kita sa pag-edging at lawn mo dito.
You'll find that out in some time, but when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of...
Okay guys, mag-blow na naman tayo guys. ang daming sagbot, ang daming mga dahon sa concrete guys. So mag blower naman tayo. Ito ang aking gagamitin.
Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't
Bina guys. Okay, that's it for now guys, our video. See you next time. Bye bye.